process of fulfilling a custom subscription box or DIY candle kit for my small business will definitely be a very tedious task. Not to mention the amount of space I'll need to clear up in my crafting room in order to store all the different inventory items and packing materials that would be needed for the kits. But my goal is to make my small business as enjoyable and optimal as possible. So I started researching other solutions and I realized e-fulfillment service, or EFS for short, offers the exact seamless solution that I'm looking for. If you don't know, 3PL stands for third-party logistics, meaning that e-fulfillment service will handle all of the nitty-gritty background work that you need to do for your business, like warehousing, order fulfillment, inventory management, and kitting, as in they can build my DIY candle kit for me and ship it out for me. EFS's kitting service takes the pick and pack work out of your hands and puts it into the hands of the professionals, which we love. EFS can integrate into your Shopify or Etsy store, and then the warehouse team will be notified when your business receives a kit order. In my case, they'll get a notification that someone ordered one of my DIY candle kits, and they will pick and pack every single material that goes into that kit, put it into a pretty package, and ship it off to the customer for me. The best part of this is that as a business owner, you can sit back and relax and let all of this just happen as EFS handles everything for you.